Seeing activation lock on your Apple Watch? This usually means it's still linked to an Apple ID. Here's how to fix it safely. On your paired iPhone, open the Watch app, tap My Watch, then click All Watches. Select the Apple Watch that shows activation lock. Apple explains that activation lock is enabled automatically when Find My is turned on. Tap the info icon next to the watch. Tap and pair Apple Watch. When prompted, enter the Apple ID password used on the watch. These steps removes activation lock and disconnects the Apple Watch from the Apple ID. If you don't have the paired iPhone, go to iCloud.com. Sign in with the Apple ID linked to the watch. Tap Find Devices, then Apple Watch. Choose Remove from Account. Apple states this officially disables activation lock remotely. If you don't know the Apple ID or password, activation lock cannot be bypassed. Apple requires proof of purchase to remove it through support. Once the Apple Watch is removed from the Apple ID, activation lock will disappear and setup can continue normally. This is the only legitimate way to fix activation lock on Apple Watch.